In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk schedule on Hootsuite. Whether you're managing multiple social media accounts or simply looking for a more efficient way to handle your posting schedule, Hootsuite offers powerful tools to help you streamline the process. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to save time by uploading all your content at once. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to start by logging into your Hootsuite account. Head over to hootsuite.com and use your credentials to sign in. Make sure all of your social media accounts like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter are connected to Hootsuite. Having all your accounts ready will ensure that you can bulk schedule posts to any platform seamlessly. Now that you're logged in, it's time to prepare your content. Hootsuite requires you to create a CSV file with specific columns, date, time, message, and optionally link an image URL. The date should be in the format of YYYY while time should be in the 24-hour format, HHMM. Your message is the text of your post, including hashtags. If you have a URL or image you want to include, make sure those are listed in the link and image URL columns respectively. It's important to follow Hootsuite's template exactly. You can even download a sample template right from Hootsuite to help guide you. With your CSV ready, it's time to access Bulk Composer. Navigate to the Publisher section from the left-hand menu. Once there, look for Bulk Composer or Bulk Schedule Post and click on it. Then select Upload CSV to bring in your prepared file. After you upload your CSV, Hootsuite will validate your data. This helps check for any errors like missing dates or incorrect formats. If any errors are present, you'll need to correct them before moving forward. In some cases, you may need to map your CSV columns to the respective Hootsuite fields. This involves making sure date corresponds to scheduled date, time to scheduled time, message to post content, and any link or image URL to attachments. Once that's done, you can select the social profiles you wish to post to. This step allows you to choose which connected accounts from your list will receive the posts, and you can even schedule different posts for different platforms in the same CSV. Before you proceed to schedule, it's always a good idea to preview your post to ensure everything is as you want it. If everything looks good, click on Schedule All to initiate the bulk scheduling. You still have the option to edit individual posts if you see any changes required. Lastly, you'll want to manage your scheduled posts by going to Publisher, then Scheduled Posts. Here you can view, edit, reschedule, or delete any post if necessary. This flexible approach ensures that you have full control over your content, even after it's ready to go live. And there you have it. You've now successfully learned how to bulk schedule your posts using Hootsuite. By following these steps, you'll be able to manage your posting schedule more efficiently, saving you valuable time and effort. Thank you for watching, and happy scheduling!